Our last four problems are 13, which is a problem involving patterns, 15 and 23 are strictly vocabulary, problem 17 has to do with slope, so that's mostly a vocabulary problem as well, I suspect. Let's knock out these last four problems. If you're going to do more study after that, pay attention to inequalities. There are 6 inequality problems on the semester exam. Count them, 6. Okay, on to problem 13. Write a function that expresses the relationship between the total number of blocks needed to build the figure and the number of the term n. Okay, what's happening here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks here. Then they add 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Our first term has 5. Note we're going up by 2. A very helpful strategy is to go to the 0 term. So, 11 minus 2 is 9, minus 2 is 7, minus 2 is 5, minus 2 is 3. So whatever we do here, we're going to add 3 at the end. So 3 plus 2 is 5. But we're adding 3. We're not adding 2, we're adding 3. Two times 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Our pattern, I think, is 2n plus 3. Does it hold? 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Our 0 term is 3, so it's plus 3. And our function is 2n plus 3. We can test all the equations, but the one we have built is the one that's correct. 15. For a bus traveling at a speed of 55 miles an hour, the relationship between the distance and the time is d equals 55t. Which is the independent variable? Which is the dependent variable? Time is the independent variable. Distance depends on the time traveled. Distance is your output. What statement is true? The speed of the bus depends on the time traveled? No, I can travel for 6 hours fast. I can travel for 6 hours slowly. The speed of the bus depends on the distance traveled? No. The distance depends on the time? Well, yeah, we've already established that. The time depends on the distance? I don't think so. Okay, what's our next problem? Our next problem is 17. What's the slope of this line? Slope is change in y over change in x. We have the formula chart which says m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If anybody in my class misses this problem on the final, I'm going to be so unhappy. Down 2 over 1, negative 2 over 1. We simplify that to negative 2. Where is that answer? There it is. Finally, problem 23. And then we are out of here, at least for the afternoon. What is the apparent range of the function of x? What is range? All possible values of the dependent variable, all possible values of y. Okay, now it's very difficult to see this, but it appears to me that the graph looks like that and then goes that way. Is that what it looks like to you? If we're considering the range, it starts here and goes down forever. So, y is less than or equal to 5. It could be 5. It can be less than 5. Goes on forever. So it is the set of all real numbers. There we go. Thank you for studying with me. I've enjoyed having you in class this semester. Congratulations on finishing this work. You will do well on the final. If you have questions, text me, phone me, email me, or see me for tutoring on Monday.